Dispatch Fireboat is responding to Fireboat 1.
Okay, Fireboat 1.
Rescue Boat 5 is responding.
Okay, Rescue Boat 5 responding. Engine 35, water rescue response, 801 Seaview Avenue Northwest.
Engine 35, 8001 Seaview Avenue Northwest.
This call came from the kite surfer who's unable to get his sail back up. He's just floating. He's not in distress, however, he is asking for help.
Rescue Boat 5, Engine 35. You have an ETA to this general area. Is that 81 Steve? Yes. And what is dogs and facts? Give it about 8 minutes for an ETA.
With 9-4 is that, sending Seaview Command. Larry, the rescue group leader. You go ahead and push aerial up and see if we can spot this creature.
That's affirmative.
Command, I made contact with the person that's down in the water. They made visual burdens that do not need assistance. Dispatch from Command, we'll have everybody get their stuff together. We'll put units in service as soon as they're ready to go back in.
Okay, Command. We'll be standing by to put units in service.